You are welcome to today's math class. So how do you solve this without using calculator? Now let's solve this. So solution. Here we have s raised to the power of 3 minus. If you look at this very well, we can just write it as 3 multiplied by 111, right? Raised to the power of 3 is equals to, here also 4 multiplied by 111 all raised to the power of 3 plus here 5 multiplied by 111 all raised to the power of 3. If you look at these three now, 111 is common. But before we move to that, we're calling this indices property. For instance, when you have a multiplied by b all raised to the power of c, you can write it as saying a raised to the power of c multiplied by b raised to the power of c. So knowing this indices property, we can write this as saying s raised to the power of 3 minus 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 111 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 4 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 111 raised to the power of 3. Here also 5 raised to the power of 3. 5 raised to the power of 3, yes, multiplied by 111 raised to the power of 3. Now bringing this to the right hand side, we have s raised to the power of 3 to be equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 111 raised to the power of 3, right? Here we have plus 4 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 111 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 111 raised to the power of 3. Now 111 raised to the power of 3 is common. Let's factor it out. So we have 111 raised to the power of 3 into bracket. What's left in the bracket will be, when you divide all through by 111 raised to the power of 3, we have 3 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 5 raised to the power of 3. So now the addition of these, but before we do that, let me to write it down first. So here we have 27, here we have 64, here we have 125, right? So the addition of this is equal to 216. Here we have 111 raised to the power of 3. Everything equals to s raised to the power of 3, right? So we have s raised to the power of 3 is equals to 111 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by, we can write this as 6 raised to the power of 3. Now, moving back to this indices property, we are doing the reverse case now, right? So, we have s raised to the power of 3 to be equals to 111 multiplied by 6 all raised to the power of 3, right? So, we have s raised to the power of 3 is equals to, the multiplication of this is 666, right? All raised to the power of 3. Now, comparing the left and right hand side, when you compare the two sides together, we can definitely agree that s is equals to 666, which is our final answer. Guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.